Gachuga area tukienda ni wao.
Ringana na obitha munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata icigirira cia ukuria na uigithia guku bururi-ini Ken Chelule, miaka 3 mihituku no muigithio umwe tu wonanitie matanya ma kuigithia na riu kambuni 20 ni cionanitie matanya ma gwaka iganda.
The zone has 20 investors as we speak. One is fully operational. The other 18 are different stages of development.
Afitha uyu uri unyitanire na nyitite mikuma honge-ini ingi na kuhanda miti gicigirira-ini giki arauga mena matanya ma guthakaria gicigo giki niguo kuguciriria aigithia makiria.
This zone is one of 35 special economic zones across the country. It is being developed by Kenya government. The zone has a total of 6,000 acres. Today we are focused on the first 1,000, and our intention is to plant a total of 29,000 trees. We have provided for 85 acres within the first phase, which is the first 1,000. In the subsequent years, we will do the remaining 5,000 as we develop the zone.
The ministry has been planting trees at Enosupukia in Narok and Ilangi in Embu as part of the presidential 15 billion trees campaign. But we decided that today we're going to promote our own, the special economic zones.
At KDC, we are happy to partner with, as he said, we promote investments through provision of capital in terms of debt and equity financing. And it is our goal as KDC to support green investments. Supporting this tree growing exercise at this site, goes towards promoting green investments.
Nyumba 600 cia wikaro nicio iratanywo gwakwo gicigirira-ini giki cia andu aria mekwandikwo mawira kambuni-ini iria irakwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngige Wanyamũ.